Geraldine here from In-House Appliance Centre, where quality counts. We are based in the Panelling Centre at Deansgrange Business Park, Dublin, and we are part of the Chadwicks Group. We do our very best to give our customers choice, value and quality. So now join us for a tour of our showroom. If you're looking for cooling, cooking and laundry appliances, we sell all leading brand names like Sub-Zero, V-Zug, Miele, Liebherr and lots more. For range cookers, we offer Wolf, Ilve, Bertazzoni, Smeg, LaConch, among others. We also offer a select range of sinks and taps, including our boiling hot water Quaker tap. To make an appointment, get in touch today.